Hello, I am Eugenia, and I will talk about the Silk book. Silk is the name of this book. It's an easy book, it's an English book, and I like because it's easy writing, but it's deep at the same time. It's about love, about a love story, about an obsessive love too. One man who lives in South France has a very painful love with a woman who lives far away in Japan. He knows when he went to Japan to sell the silkworms. Silkworms is a business for him, and every year he went in January and in April to Japan. Every year too, she writes a letter for him, but she tells that he must open the letter when he's arriving in France, not before. Then, well, it's a love story, a lonely love, and it's beautiful, it's pretty. It's a little bit sad, but it's pretty. I recommend you this book, and you can borrow in the English department. It's free, so that is my option.